because I'm a safe and responsible driver, guys. What's up, guys? Today we got a rainy day out, and well, you know what that means. Drift time everywhere. Well, at least try and slide, not drift, but slide. You know what I mean. But it should be fun. We'll see how this goes. We have an open diff, so we're not gonna get that much of a slide. It's just gonna limit with traction. But anyways, let's just have some fun. You know what I mean? All right, let's get to it. Surprisingly, I got some grip up in here. That was so good. I had a big ass puddle on full throttle. You know, one trade fine. That can be really dumb sometimes. I think that's one of them. I do feel a less grip though. Just a tiny bit. Usually I'm able to take this corner at like 60 miles an hour. I'm at 40 right now, but the car just doesn't seem to want to grip at all. Is explainable, it's raining. But honestly, I can send it a little faster through that corner if I want to. But I don't want to. Because I'm a safe and responsible driver, guys. At the end of the video right now, we are making a new video installing a belt tensioner, and I think that's it. A new belt tensioner with an idler pulley and a belt. That's the new things coming into the car, and I have a pair of spark plugs ready as well. So if you stay to the end of the video, you know what's the next video is going to be about. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little talk. Let me know what you guys thought about it, and please let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see a new channel, maybe 2 channels open up. And I'll see you guys on the flip side after this stop sign. We're gonna floor it, and then that's it. That's the end of the video.